everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Rashi and in this video we'll be starting with the exercise of chapter number 12. So the name of the chapter is Exponents and Part. Chapter number 12, class 8, exercise 12.1. So we have already done the introduction video of this chapter, right, in two parts, part 1 and part 2. So now we are starting with the exercise. So exercise 12.1, question number 1 says, evaluate and the first part is 3 raised to the power minus 2. So we have done certain laws of exponents in our introduction video. One law of exponent was that a to the power minus m equals to 1 upon a to the power m. Whenever we have a negative sign in the power, सो अब उसको हम एलिमिनेट कैसे करेंगे, हम उस नंबर का रेसिप्रोकल कर देंगे एंड दैट माइनस साइन विल बी एलिमिनेटेड. सो जो यहाँ पे माइनस एम था अब वो हो गया पॉजिटिव एम, राइट. सो सिमिलरली दिस इज 3 रेज टू द पावर माइनस 2 मीन्स इन ऑर्डर टू एलिमिनेट दिस माइनस साइन, जब तक माइनस साइन एलिमिनेट नहीं होगा वी कैन नॉट सॉल्व दिस, राइट. सो टू एलिमिनेट दिस माइनस साइन हम 3 रेज टू द पावर माइनस 2 को लिख देंगे 1 अपॉन 3 रेज टू द पावर 2. और हमने ऐसे रेसिप्रोकल क्यों किया, बिकॉज व्हेन वी रेसिप्रोकल जो हमारा माइनस का साइन होता है वो एलिमिनेट हो जाता है, ठीक है. सो नाउ दिस इज 1 अपॉन 3 रेज टू द पावर 2 एंड 1 upon 3 raised to the power 2 can be written as 1 upon 3 into 3, that is 1 upon 9. So 1 upon 9 is the answer, right? Yes, so 1 upon 9 is the answer. So basically what we did, हमने सिर्फ ये माइनस का साइन एलिमिनेट करना था. सो फॉर दैट वी हैव एन आइडेंटिटी a raised to the power minus m equals to 1 upon a raised to the power m. So हमने वही वाली आइडेंटिटी अप्लाई करी. Let's write this identity here. a raised to the power minus m equals to 1 upon a raised to the power m, right? So ये एक हमने law जो हमने in our introduction video we studied one law of this type as well, right? Coming to second part, we have minus 4 raised to the power minus 2, right? So now again we have to evaluate, we have to solve this and for that हमें ये माइनस का साइन पहले एलिमिनेट करना पड़ेगा. Why? Because जब तक ये माइनस का साइन यहाँ से एलिमिनेट नहीं होगा we cannot solve this number. So this is 1 upon minus 4 raised to the power 2. अब यहाँ से माइनस एलिमिनेट नहीं होगा, दिस इज द माइनस ऑफ नंबर, माइनस ऑफ पार एलिमिनेट होता है, मतलब जो यहाँ पे माइनस है ये एलिमिनेट होगा, राइट. सो रीजन वुड बी अगेन a रेज टू द पावर माइनस m इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन a रेज टू द पावर m. अब अगर यहाँ पे भी माइनस होता तो वो माइनस एज इट इज कैरी फॉरवर्ड होता. सो ये वाला माइनस एलिमिनेट होता है, पार वाला, राइट. सो दिस इज द रीजन. नाउ दिस इज 1 upon minus 4 into minus 4, right? Raised to the power 2 means 2 times of that number, ठीक है. So minus से minus कट हो गया, so हो गया 1 upon 4 4s are 16. So 1 upon 16 is the answer. I hope this is clear. Just we have to eliminate the minus sign of the part, all right? And for that we have this law, a raised to the power minus m equals to 1 upon a raised to the power m. Okay, so this was our second part. Proceeding to part number 3. Now coming to part number 3. So the third part of question number 1 is 1 upon 2 raised to the power minus 5. So now we have to evaluate this number 1 upon 2 raised to the power minus 5. So now for this, अभी हमने एक और लॉ स्टडी किया था इन आवर इंट्रोडक्शन वीडियो, एंड दैट लॉ वाज दैट a अपॉन b रेज टू द पावर m जब भी हमारे पास होता है, सो वी कैन राइट दिस एज a रेज टू द पावर m अपॉन b रेज टू द पावर m, right? So applying this law here, we can write 1 raised to the power minus 5 upon 2 raised to the power minus 5. Okay, now 1 raised to the power minus 5 and 2 raised to the power minus 5. We have a negative sign with both the powers. So अब हम इसको कैसे eliminate करेंगे? For that, let's suppose कि एक बार को कि यहाँ पे 2 raised to the power minus 5 नहीं है. So 1 raised to the power minus 5 can be written as 1 upon 1 raised to the power 5. Right? Reciprocal कर देंगे, and the law used will be again a raised to the power minus m equals to 1 upon a raised to the power m. ठीक है? So this will be 1 upon 1 raised to the power 5, and similarly suppose this is not there and यहाँ पे हमारे पास just है 1 upon 2 raised to the power minus 5. So अब हमें जो माइनस एलिमिनेट करना है, 2 को रेसिप्रोकल करना है, मतलब 2 ऊपर आ जाएगा. दिस विल बी 2 raised to the power 5. So अगर कोई भी नंबर ऑलरेडी फ्रैक्शन में है और उसमें नेगेटिव साइन है, सो दैट वुड बी रेसिप्रोकल अगेन, और वो अब नॉर्मल पॉजिटिव नंबर बन जाएगा. अब ये 1/2 से 2 बन गया. ठीक है? सो दिस इज 2 raised to the power 5 नाउ. तो ये हो गया 2 raised to the power 5 अपॉन 1 raised to the power 5. नाउ 1 raised to the power 5 is 1 only. 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. The answer will be 1. So 2 raised to the power 5 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 upon 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. This will be 1 only. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So the answer comes out to be 32, right? So this was the third part of question number 1. So the laws that we studied in our introduction video, only those laws we will apply in these questions. All right. So ये वाला जो law था ये भी हमने study किया था, that whenever we have a fraction or whole to the power m है, so we can bifurcate that power और हम दोनों नंबर्स के साथ वो सेपरेटली लिख सकते हैं, a to the power m अपॉन b to the power m, right? So this was question number 1. Now coming to question number 2. Question number 2 is simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponent. the question says that we can express the result in par notation. हम par में आंसर को छोड़ सकते हैं. It's not necessary to solve it, but it should be a positive exponent. Negative par नहीं होनी चाहिए. It should be a positive part. Okay, and we have to simplify. So the first part is minus 4 raised to the power 5 divided by minus 4 raised to the power 8. So this is our first part, and we have studied one law that when the base is same and we have division sign in between, so जो पार होती है that is subtracted. So we'll mention here a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m minus n. Okay, so यहाँ पे base is same, that is minus 4. So we will write minus 4 raised to the power 5 minus 8. Why? Because we have division sign in between, and whenever we have a division sign, so powers minus होती है, that's why 5 minus 8, right? So 5 minus 8 will give us plus minus minus 3 and sign negative because 8 is a greater number, right? So this is minus 4 raised to the power minus 3. But now we cannot leave this answer here because हमें एक जो exponent है that should be positive, but here the exponent is negative. So we have to reciprocal this number raised to the power 3, and यहाँ पे हमें reason mention करना पड़ेगा. a raised to the power minus m equals to 1 upon a raised to the power m. Okay, so this is 1 upon minus 4 raised to the power 3, right? Now we can leave our answer here because अब हमारे पास positive exponent आ गया है. So 1 upon minus 4 raised to the power 3. This is the answer. So this was our part number 1. इसमें भी हमने directly applied this law. a raised to the power n divided by a raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m minus n. When the base is same, so we can apply this law. अगर multiplication होता तो add करते parts को, but here it was division, so we subtracted the parts. This was the first part. Coming to second part. Now second part of question number 2 is one upon 2 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power 2. 1 upon 2 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power 2. So this is part number 2. Now in this part we have a fraction and whole raised to the power a number, and now we have a law that we can write this as a upon b raised to the power m. को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? a raised to the power m upon b raised to the power n. So this can be written as 1 raised to the power 2 upon 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 2, like this. बिकॉज यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी रेज़ टू द पावर 3 था, तो हमें जो नेक्स्ट 2 लिखेंगे वो ब्रैकेट लगा के लिख सकते हैं, राइट? सो इट मीन्स नाउ विल मल्टीप्लाई 3 into 2. ठीक है, यहाँ पे तो ये 1 ही हो गया. 1 square will be 1 only. and here it will be 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 2. And for this again we have one law which says a raised to the power m raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power mn. Means we can multiply both the parts. अगर कभी डबल पार आ रही है तो हम उनको मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. So this will be 1 upon 2 raised to the power 3 into 2, that is, this will be 1 upon 2 raised to the power 3 into 2, that is 1 upon 2 raised to the power 6. So this is the answer, 1 upon 2 raised to the power 6. Now we can leave this answer here because now we have a positive exponent. 2 raised to the power 6 minus 6 होता तो reciprocal करते, but here it is positive 6, so we can leave our answer right here. This is the answer, 1 upon 2 raised to the power 6. So now again we used two laws in this question. The first law is that whenever we have a fraction whole raised to the power a number, so we can bifurcate that part with both the numbers. ठीक है. And the second law was that whenever we have double part, a raised to the power m raised to the power n, so we can multiply both the powers mn. So simply हमने 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 2 था, तो हमने 3 into 2 6 कर दिया. ठीक है. This was our second part. Now coming to the third part. Now coming to third part. Third part is minus 3 raised to the power 4 into 5 upon 3 raised to the power 4. So now we have a number minus 3 raised to the power 4 into 5 upon 3 raised to the power 4. So in questions like this, we have power same, power same and base is different. ठीक है. So we have one law for this as well, which says a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m, power same, base different, equals to a into b raised to the power m. So what we can do is we can multiply the base and power को common लेके एक बार लिख सकते हैं. So the power is 4. अब हम यहाँ पे what we can do, minus 3 into 5 upon 3 raised to the power 4. So minus 3 raised to the power भी 4 ही है and 5 upon 3 raised to the power भी 4 ही है. So हम 4 को common ले सकते हैं, one time लिख सकते हैं और इन दोनों को multiply कर सकते हैं. So when we multiply this, we'll get 3 से 3 कट, so we'll get minus 5 raised to the power 4, right? Minus 5 raised to the power 4 आ गया हमारे पास. So now what we can do is, या तो हम इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं minus 1 into 5 raised to the power 4, because 3 से 3 कट, so minus 1 आया, so minus 1 into 5 raised to the power 4. So this will be, again we'll apply one law which says a into b raised to the power m equals to a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m. Just इसका opposite किया हमने. अभी हम इस वाले स्टेज पे हैं, so अब हम ये वाला पार्ट पुट कर देंगे. Here we were on this stage, so हमने ये वाला पार्ट पुट कर दिया था. So now we can write this as minus 1 raised to the power 4 into 5 raised to the power 4, right? So this will be minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into 5 raised to the power 4. So minus से minus कर, minus से माइनस कर, तो ये सब तो 1 हो गया. सो द आंसर कम्स आउट टू बी 5 रेज टू द पावर 4. ओके. एंड ये तो वन मेथड था कि हमने इसको -1 ही रहने दिया. बट एक और इजी मेथड जो अभी मैं आपको बताती हूँ. वेट, दिस इज फर्स्ट मेथड. नाउ आई एम टेलिंग यू मेथड नंबर 2. I am writing that here only. So this would be 3 से 3 कट, -1 into 5 would be -5 raised to the power 4. राइट. सो अब ये माइनस को हम एलिमिनेट करेंगे. सो फॉर दैट हमारे पास ये होगा -5 इंटू -5 इंटू -5 इंटू -5. माइनस से माइनस कट, माइनस से माइनस कट. राइट. अब ये हो गया 5 रेज टू द पावर 4. ठीक है. हमने इधर -1 सेपरेटली क्यों लिया था? बिकॉज माइनस के साइन जो है वो कट हो जाए और हमारा आंसर 5 रेज टू द पावर 4 आ जाए. बिकॉज वेन एवर वी हैव इवन पार, जब हमारे पास कोई इवन पार होती है और कोई माइनस का साइन होता है तो वो कट हो जाता है. बिकॉज 2 साइंस ऑफ माइनस गेट कट इन मल्टीप्लीकेशन. सो सिंपली हमने इधर भी 2 साइंस कट किए, इधर 2 साइंस कट किए. सो हमारे पास -5 रेज टू द पावर 4 बन गया 5 रेज टू द पावर 4. राइट. सो दिस इज द आंसर. नाउ दिस वाज द थर्ड पार्ट. नाउ लेट्स कम टू फोर्थ पार्ट. Coming to part number 4, 3 raised to the power -7 divided by 3 raised to the power -10 into 3 raised to the power -5. So this is the part number 4. In this again we have base same and powers are different and we have a division sign in between. So पहले हम इन दोनों को ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व करते हैं. So we'll get a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m minus n. So we can write 3 raised to the power -7 minus 10 because दोनों माइनस के हैं, n हमें करना भी माइनस है, into 3 raised to the power -5 as it is. So now this will be 3 raised to the power -7 plus 10 because minus plus into 3 raised to the power -5. Now -7 plus 10 will give us plus 3. 3 raised to the power 3 into 3 raised to the power -5. Now we can apply the law a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m plus n because now we have a multiplication sign. So this will be 3 raised to the power 3 plus -5. So now what we will get? 3 raised to the power 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 will give us 3 raised to the power -2. And we cannot leave our answer here because अभी हमारे पास notation जो power notation है that is negative. So what we can write? 1 upon 3 raised to the power 2. This is the answer. हमें एक्सप्रेस करना है रिजल्ट पार नोटेशन में, तो अभी हम इसको सॉल्व नहीं कर रहे. बट दी पार नोटेशन शुड बी पॉजिटिव. सो दैट्स वाई ये जो नेगेटिव पार नोटेशन थी इसको हमने पॉजिटिव करके लिखा. राइट. सो दिस वाज आवर फोर्थ पार्ट. इन दिस पार्ट वी अप्लाइड 2 लॉज. द फर्स्ट वन वाज व्हेन द बेस इज सेम and we have division sign, so power minus. And the second one was when the base is same and we have multiply sign, so the power will be added. Okay, so this was the fourth part of question number 2. Now coming to the last part of question number 2, part number 5. Fifth part is 2 raised to the power minus 3 into 7 raised to the power minus 7 raised to the power minus 3. So now what we can observe, the base is different but powers are same. So we have one law for this also, a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m equals to a into b raised to the power m. When the power is same, we can take the power common. So this will be 2 into minus 7 raised to the power minus 3, right? बिकॉज जो हमारे पास यहाँ पे पार है -3, इसको हम कॉमन लेके वन टाइम लिख सकते हैं एंड 2 into -7 वी कैन डू. सो 2 into -7 विल गिव अस -14 raised to the power -3. Now -14 raised to the power -3. We cannot leave our answer right here. Why? Because अभी हमारे पास जो पार नोटेशन है दैट इज नेगेटिव. So we can write this as 1 upon -14 raised to the power 3, and this is our answer, 1 upon -14 raised to the power 3. Now the power notation is positive and we can leave our answer here, right? So this was the fifth part and the last part of question number 2. Now children, question number 3 we will be discussing in our next video, and now I am giving you a brief introduction of all the laws of exponent. So let's start. The first law of exponent is a to the power m into b to the power m. A to the power m into a to the power n means when the base is same and the powers are different. तो हम इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं? a to the power m plus n. Why? Because when the base is same and we have multiplication sign, so powers add हो जाती हैं. And similarly, when the base is same and we have division sign, so the powers get subtracted. So this is the law second. Okay, when we have division sign and base same है तो powers माइनस हो जाएंगी, and when we have multiplication sign and base same है तो powers add हो जाएंगी. Now the third part is when the base is different and powers are same. a to the power m into b to the power m हो जाएगा a into b raised to the power m, means इसमें power कॉमन आ जाएगी because power is same. पावर कॉमन आके m हो गई एक साइड एंड a इंटू b हो गया. सिमिलरली द फोर्थ लॉ सेज a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n equals to b raised to the power n equals to, अब यहाँ पे again we have base different and power same. So what we can write, a divided by b raised to the power m. So हमने भी a और b को डिवाइड कर दिया एंड m को कॉमन ले लिया. एंड ये एक और वे से ये लिखी आ सकती है, दैट इज a अपॉन b, a डिवाइडेड बाय m अपॉन b डिवाइड a raised to the power m upon b raised to the power m can be written as a upon b whole raised to the power m. So ये वाला जो हमारे पास फोर्थ लॉ है ये ऐसे भी लिखा आ सकता है हमारे पास. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड, जब भी फ्रैक्शन में कोई भी नंबर लिखा है दैट ऑल्सो मीन्स डिविजन ओनली, राइट. सो a raised to the power m divided by b raised to the power m equals to a upon b whole raised to the power m. And we have one more law, fifth law, डबल पावर. जब भी हमारे पास a raised to the power m raised to the power n है, so we can write this as a raised to the power m into n. जब भी हमारे पास डबल पावर है सो वो डबल पावर मल्टीप्लाई हो जाती है, राइट. दिस इज द फिफ्थ लॉ. ऑल्सो आई टोल्ड यू एक सिक्स्थ लॉ भी होता है, दैट a raised to the power 0. Anything raised to the power 0 will give us 1. So a raised to the power 0 equals to 1, and also a raised to the power minus m equals to 1 upon a raised to the power m. This is the last law, that जब भी हमारे पास एक नेगेटिव साइन है पावर में, सो उसको एलिमिनेट करने के लिए we reciprocal the number, and when we reciprocal the number so that minus signs get eliminated. Okay, so these were the laws of exponents, and now we will be starting with question number 3 in our next video. So stay tuned for that video. If you still didn't understand any part of question number 1 and 2 or any topic in our introduction video, you can write in our comment section below, and stay tuned for my next video. In that video we will be starting with question number 3. Thank you.